In this exercise tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to do single leg uppercuts. So this is a fantastic exercise for those looking to work on their single leg ankle, hip and knee stability, as well as getting in a cardiovascular element of the upper body working at the same time. When we're moving the upper body, specifically with the dumbbells doing uppercuts, what you'll notice is our center of gravity is changing, and it's actually quite hard to balance on the ankle when we've got different movements coming in and different directional changes. So what we've got is we've got dumbbells in both hands. You're going to pick the leg that you would like to balance on and make sure that you are pointing completely straight with the foot. From here, I'm going to flex the knee of my opposing leg, and I'm going to come in one side to the next side, and I'm trying to balance on one leg as I'm coming up and diagonal, up and diagonal, up and diagonal, up and diagonal. That is how to do uppercuts on one leg. You would repeat that for your desired amount of reps, seconds and sets.